National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Miami County, northern Clark County, southern Champaign County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Havenview, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include New Carlisle, Springfield, Urbana. In addition, Christiansburg, State Route 41 at State Route 235, Dialton, Northampton, Donaldsville, Thackeray, Snyderville and Terre Haute are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 52 and 64. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.